here's why I love what we do. Because we teach people how to earn a greater rate of return on their money. Now, where do you think you can get 12% or better on your money legally? That disclaimer.
I think you can maybe put it in the stock.
In the stock market? Okay, that is it. Why don't most people invest into the stock market? Education. What else? They're afraid of the risk. And then the other one is, oh man, I don't have that kind of money. So let's deal with all three of these real quick. The education. The stock market itself, it pretty much breaks down into two scenarios. All right? You have stocks, and you have mutual funds. Not mutual fun when a bunch of people are playing together having fun. Mutual funds with a D. Okay? Stocks, mutual funds. Stocks is when you have part ownership of the company. So if I'm Sears, you invest into my Sears and I go bankrupt, what happens to your money? It's gone, right? You go, because it's a stock. You had your money in that one stock. But a mutual fund is kind of like Dover Mall. If you invest into my entire mall, but I have a Sears in that mall that goes bankrupt, does the whole mall shut down? No. Why not? Right. The other stores are still operating, creating a profit. So once Sears is gone out of that location, what happens to that spot where Sears was? They put another company in there, right? That's how a mutual fund works. A mutual fund is a group of stocks operating off of $1 versus us putting $1 to just one stock. So what the mutual fund does is it minimizes the risk of a person losing. Because what are the chances of the entire mall shutting down on the same day? How likely is that? Not very likely, right? So that's how a mutual fund works in comparison to a stock. I'm sure you heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Mutual funds. Seem pretty easy to understand?